It's a happy day. Today, it's a beautiful day. So today we take a MRT, go to TRX. So now, Anson is queuing for Moldy Samgyetang. The thing here is all unique. Look at this chair. It's amazing. Look at that. They are not yet open, but it's beautiful. Just trying to copy this, see what is all this. These are, I don't know what is this, but it's amazing. All wood carving. The chair, the stool, also wood carving. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? Well, to be in this Icon Mall, TRX Mall, is very good because it's a bit different from other restaurants. So guys, this is it. And a Chinese New Year decor. Another restaurant there. So guys, I'm not promoting the restaurant, just want to do some video over here. There's also Red Box down one, you see. Yeah, the cheese master is also, wow, all the food here are classic. I'm sure they are. Oh, look at that. Ceiling. It's beautiful. Yeah. Look at the taco tea. Maybe we try that later. But these are very, it's a good place. Yeah. It's very good to hang out, very nice, and you can see more Asian restaurant here. Las Meninas is, I'm sure, is a Latin food, and the other one is Pakistan food. And good. So happy day, great people. Good morning, good morning. Bye. See you, great people. Have a nice day.